Hello friends, welcome to Learn English with Sharbani. Today I am saying about degrees of comparison. This is part 2 friends. In part 1 I said degrees of adjective and what is positive, comparative and superlative. That link in description friends. Degrees of comparison. There are 4 cases of degrees of comparison. They are general case, special case, negative case, having 2 subjects case. General case. We use general case when we have only one best choice. That means మనకి ఒకే ఒకటి మంచి చాయిస్ ఉంది. Keywords for general case are positive takes, no other plus so plus positive degree, adjective plus as, comparative, any other plus singular or all other plus plural, superlative, the. These keywords are main important friends. We have four cases. మనకి 4 cases ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది. That's why I write separate friends. మనం keywords నేర్చేసుకుంటే 4 cases వచ్చినట్టే friends. Before going to syntax of positive degree in general case, we want to know about phrase. Phrase, a group of words which give meaning but not complete meaning. For example, I am in the class. In the class is phrase friends. Birds fly in the sky. In the sky is phrase friends. Book is in the table. In the table is phrase. Syntax of positive degree in general case is no other plus common noun plus phrase plus helping verb or main verb plus so plus positive degree adjective plus as plus subject. Example, no other student in the class is so intelligent as Sharbani. That means Sharbani కంటే ఎవరు ఇంటెలిజెంట్ లేరు. No other drink in the shop is so cool as Sprite. That means Sprite కంటే మిగతావి ఏ కూల్ డ్రింక్స్ కూల్ గా లేవు బాగా. No other girl in the group looks like so beautiful as Rani. That means Rani కంటే ఎవరు అందంగా లేరు. Syntax for comparative degree in general case is subject plus helping verb or main verb plus comparative degree adjective plus than plus any others plus singular or all other plus plural plus common noun plus phrase. For example, Sharbani is more intelligent than any other student in the class. Or Sharbani is more intelligent than all other students in the class. That means వేరే స్టూడెంట్స్ కి పోల్చుకుంటే శర్వాణి ఇంటెలిజెంట్. Sprite is cooler than any other drink in the shop. That means వేరే డ్రింక్స్ తో పోల్చుకుంటే స్ప్రైట్ చల్లంగా ఉంది. Rani looks like more beautiful than any other girls in the group. Sorry friends. Or Rani looks like more beautiful than all other girls in the group. Syntax for superlative degree in general case is subject plus helping verb or main verb plus the plus superlative degree adjective plus common noun plus phrase. Sharbani is most intelligent student in the class. In part 1, I already said that what is superlative. It says about only one noun. Here, Sharbani is the most intelligent student in the class. Sprite is coolest drink in the shop. Special case. When we have many best choice and speaking one among all. Keywords for special case are positive takes very few, comparative takes most other, and superlative takes one of the plus noun in plural form. Syntax for positive in special case. Very few plus common noun in plural plus phrase plus helping verb or main verb plus so plus positive degree adjective plus as plus subject. Very few students in the class are so good as Sita. That means సీత లాగా చాలా మంది మంచివాళ్ళు. Very few phones in the world are so useful as iPhone. iPhone లాగా చాలా ఫోన్స్ యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి మనకి. Very few sweets in the Balaji is so good as Kaju Katri. That means కాజు కత్రీ లాగా అన్ని బాగుంటాయి. సింటాక్స్ ఫర్ కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ ఇన్ స్పెషల్ కేస్. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఆర్ మెయిన్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ adjective ప్లస్ than ప్లస్ మోస్ట్ అదర్ ప్లస్ కామన్ నౌన్ ఇన్ ప్లూరల్ ప్లస్ phrase. For example, Sita is better than most other students in the class. సీత వేరే వాళ్ళతో పోల్చుకుంటే సీత మంచిది. iPhone is more useful than most other phones in the world. వేరే ఫోన్స్ తో పోల్చుకుంటే ఐఫోన్ యూస్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటది బాగా. కాజు కట్లీ is better than most other sweets in the Balaji. Syntax for superlative degree in special case. Subject plus helping verb or main verb plus one of the plus superlative degree adjective plus common noun in plural plus phrase. For example, Sita is one of the best student in the class. That means Sita కూడా మంచి స్టూడెంటే, ఒక మంచి స్టూడెంటే క్లాస్ లో. iPhone is one of the most useful phones in the world. Kaju Katri is one of the best sweet in the Balaji. Negative case. We use negative case to express negative statements. Keywords for negative case. Positive takes some plus at least, comparative takes some other, and superlative take not plus the plus of all the. Syntax for positive degree in negative case. Some plus, common noun plus, phrase plus, helping verb or main verb plus, at least plus, as plus, positive degree adjective plus, as plus, subject. For example, some boys in the class are at least as good as Ajay. That means కొంతమంది అబ్బాయిలు అజయ్ లాగా మంచివాళ్ళు. Comparative. Subject plus helping verb or main verb plus not plus comparative degree adjective plus some other plus common noun plus phrase. For example, Ajay is not better than some other boys in the class. That means Ajay కొంతమంది అబ్బాయిల కంటే మంచివాడు కాదు క్లాస్ లో. Raju is not taller than some other boys in the group. Syntax for superlative degree in negative case. Subject plus helping verb or main verb plus not plus the plus superlative degree adjective plus of all the plus common noun plus phrase. For example, Ajay is not the best of all the boys in the class. Ajay మంచివాడు కాదు in the class లో. అందరిలో పోల్చుకుంటే అజయ్ మంచివాడు కాదు. Sorry friends, having two subjects. We use this case when there is comparison with two subjects. రెండు సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కి మధ్యలో కంపారిజన్ జరిగింది. In this case, there is no superlative adjective degree because superlative says about only one noun. That's why there is no superlative degree in this case. We can change positive to comparative, comparative to positive. There is no superlative in this case. Rules friends. Rule 1. Positive case has to be changed comparative and comparative case has to be changed into positive. Rule 2. If a positive sentence changes to negative and negative sentence changes to positive. Rule 3. Subjects have to be interchanged. Positive. Gold is not so precious as platinum. Comparative. Platinum is more precious than gold. In this example, subjects are interchanged and negative case has changed into positive. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and relatives. Like this video. Bye friends.